What is up everyone, you're watching S10 channel, and in this video we will fix Play Store not working or Play Store not opening or not downloading applications problem in S10 Plus or Samsung Galaxy S10e. So before the starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also don't forget to press the bell icon if you are new on this channel. So to fix Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus or Samsung Galaxy S10e Play Store not working problem or not downloading application problem, first of all just go to setting and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.